Welcome back to the Stratosphere. What have we been up to? Well, mostly talking to you lot, actually, as it happens. Yes, I've been very busy on the phone, helping people. I have just got off the phone to a very nice chap in New York State somewhere, I believe. A shock who is very interested in getting a Lister Bell, aren't we all? Yeah. And when I say Lister Bell, that doesn't exclude a Hawk. Let's talk about that. So specifically for American viewers, the deal with Lister Bell is going to be as follows. Yes, I was notified by another viewer several months ago, and it has been confirmed by Lydia and Craig at Lister Bell, that all US cars will only be available as complete builds, probably with the Evora motor and transmission, starting at $250,000 with a waiting list of 5 years. Obviously, demand is such that it's not worth their while doing it for less than that, and I can't blame them. It's an amazing car. Build it yourself kits in any shape or form will not be available for the USA. But don't panic, there is an alternative. If you've watched any of my videos or read any of the descriptions, you will be aware of Hawk Cars. They've been around a lot longer than Lister Bell and have been doing this for a lot longer too. I've had the pleasure of meeting Jerry Hawk Ridge, the founder of the company. Thoroughly nice chap. They are still producing and exporting kits to the USA at the same kind of price that I bought mine for. They also do pre-built versions for around the same money that Lister Bell are talking about. Suffice to say, you have options, but don't kid yourself, you're never going to build one of these for less than 6 figures. So right now I consider myself a very lucky man, having made the decision to do this at the right time and having it in my garage. By the way, perfect parking, right? Just saying. And the good news is we have a new windshield. Yes, and here's the process. There was an inordinate amount of gunge basically holding in the original, so it took quite a while to actually get the old windshield out.
Be careful, it's heavy.
And then, of course, the clean-up of all the additional gunk that was still left on the frame. Then carefully fitting the trim itself before installing the windshield. I was quite intrigued. You might notice that the adhesive, for want of a better word, comes out in like a ribbon. So you put a V cut in the tube so that you get like a ribbon of it, and as you press the windshield in, it lays flat and gives a much better seal.
Are you looking? Shift, or are you looking good?
It's good.
You liking it? Yeah. I'm loving it.
Yeah, so that was that. One new windshield. Excellent. As I said in the video, do not try this at home. Well, you can if you like. I'm never going to. So my thanks to Patrick and Tito from Verde Valley Auto Glass for doing a fine job. Not so much thanks to UPS, who were supposed to be delivering door to door and refused to clear it through customs for me. I would have thought that was part of the service. Anyway, I haven't got time to tell you the whole story. It involved brokers and God knows what. $425 additionally later, we had the windscreen. If any of you ever need any help with that kind of stuff, drop me a line in the comments down below, whatever. And email me, glad to help. Not sure if the new windscreen's going to pass the inspection. We'll find out in a minute. What do you think, Monkey? Too many chefs? And he's going to check it out. Now we just got to poke these behind here and into those, which involved semi-dismantling the dashboard. Well, we got in there. Wasn't easy, as you can imagine. That's a flashlight. Yeah, long nose pliers. Fed through the top. And that was the tough side, so the other side should be easy, right? I'll let you know. So I thought I'd share some more footage from the drone day and some stills by Memphis Larson, who was there as part of the crew. As usual, thanks for tuning in again, or for the first time even. If it is the first time, then check out some of the other stuff. What else? Oh yeah, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down here. And of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.